Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to create your own marketing agency, which is digital marketing because digital is being the top thing in our country right now. America, the European countries are turning into digital marketing instead of like the actual marketing, like the in-person giving like papers. Now we use digital marketing. So first of all, you need to post yourself on Fiverr, which means that you need to find clients on Fiverr. So you can go ahead and create a Fiverr account and join and post your service with the example so that you can get your clients and you can get better clients by providing a quality work. So first of all, we're going to click on this one. So this one says, I will craft a profitable digital marketing strategy and plan. So this is basically making a plan for you and they're charging $50. And the premium feature, which most companies will buy the premium feature, like those big ass companies, are going to be spending $300. And she put the skills, she posted her examples as well, like the things that she's doing and more. So this is how you get clients. So this was the first step to find the clients. The second thing is you need to get a better design, like these kind of designs for yourself. So to post yourself on Fiverr, you need to have good design. So we're gonna say service, and we're gonna search up different templates. Millions of templates are gonna be available. So let's go back and this one. So this one tells the services that they're doing and also the price, like the offer, and they provide their link, like their social media, their phone number, and their website to build that trust. And you can actually put a picture and you can put some examples of your market services to get better clients. So this was just the getting on the client side, and you can use ChatGPT to basically create a gig service inclusion, like the services, their extra services, and more. So that was basically the first step to find the clients. And now we're gonna go ahead and talk about the actual marketing. So to provide a marketing agency, you need to first make a plan. Let's say your client sells sneakers. So we're gonna search up sneakers on Canva and we're gonna create a template based on the sneakers. So let's say they're gonna do a giveaway and they want to provide a marketing. First of all, we're gonna create the picture. We're gonna put the sneakers, and then we're gonna add the join now, everything included in the post, like the things that they have to things that they have to do to join the giveaway, which is actually cool. And they will be doing that to join the giveaway. And you can do different things. And then you gotta create the actual marketing plan on where to advertise. You can click on Google Ads. You can create an account, which is very simple. You go ahead and click on sign in, and then it will tell you the demographic data and more. For example, it will literally show you how to create the create a better plan. So it's all automatic nowadays, and you can also create Facebook ads, Snapchat ads, which most sneaker people will be on Snapchat. So you can click on create an ad, and then you can create the ad for them. They will literally give you the permission. You can click on that, click the ad, and you can create your account. And then you're able to advertise it to a broad audience. And then what you have to do is you gotta have a plan. So your plan can consist of creating Snapchat ads, Pinterest ads. There's different kind of marketing agencies, and you can also search up different marketing agencies, like marketing agencies near me, and then it will literally show you what they do. So they create the marketing mix, the price, the product, and the sales. So you're gonna be handling the picture, the design of how to sell it, the way to design the products using Canva, and more. And you gotta make sure that you have to create a website design to make sure that you are doing the marketing well, because most of the digital marketing is now consists of website design. Website design is like the main component of how to get people, and you can talk to your client on how to do it, like what they want, and you can literally create a Wix website which is free, and they will pay you to create it So you can do the design. Like this design looks very nice and it's so appealing to the customers. And then what you can do is you can do like the other things. You can talk to the customers and you can do a market research where you can actually make sure that, let's say, so let me show you guys. You can go to ChatGPT and say, let's say your customer wants to learn about more about the sneaker industry, and you can search up how can I advertise to a sneakers audience shoe. So you can literally search it up. It says influencer marketing, sneaker forums, sneaker events, and email marketing and search engine advertising. Based on what your customer wants, you can literally make money by just using ChatGPT and not using your brain. I'm not kidding. You can do email marketing. There's different kind of email marketing things that you can use. There's MailChimp where you can get mails from different kind of people and you can literally advertise your products by using that email database. There's also a thing called search engine advertising, which is running Google Ads campaigns targeted to the people who are searching for sneaker related keywords. You can use Google keywords and search up what keywords are being used. You can also use Google Trends. Literally, you can use Google Trends, which is an easy tool to do your marketing. So the marketing industry is growing every single day, and you can literally use the Google Ads. You can use every kind of things to make money. However, you gotta be careful because your clients probably know that you're gonna be using Google Trends, but you need to make sure that you provide a better thing than the other people. So you can literally explain to them in a video and how to do it, and you can like communicate in a Zoom and make sure to do that so that you can make more money and they will be sticking with you. They will make sure that they will go in the same direction with you and they will work with you in a long term. So let's say sneakers. So we're gonna see the interest over time. We're gonna see which states have the biggest search of that, but this doesn't show the population. However, you can see that there's basketball shoe related topic. Okay, you can literally go to the basketball shoe forums like the Reddit forums like Reddit, sneakers, and you can literally go ahead and click on this sneaker group and you can literally make money by just clicking on it. That's really easy, guys. You can create a post saying that, hey guys, I am a small business owner trying to sell sneakers. Please check out my website and rate it. I'm not asking for purchases. No worries. Like you can literally make money by advertising for free. You can use Google Forms, you can use Reddit, you can use different kind of websites like the, let me show you. You can literally use WordPress to create your own form and more. So this is how you advertise and create your own digital marketing agency. All you have to do is just use Canva to create your designs and make sure that you are doing right with your clients on what they want. Do not do something else that your customer wants or you will lose your customer. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're uploading videos every single day in this channel. So please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.